As we started on a very formal and plastic attitude to develop projects, which is one of the key for architecture. I think now ecology is the issue of our next years. How to think the project, how to build the project, how to be light, intelligent, and to introduce new vision in terms of recycling, using brand new materials, and so on and so on. We are going to talk about housing. Housing is one of the most important issues in France, but in Europe, and I think in the world too. How people can live together with a large sense of mixity, quality in terms of living together, comfort, and also, what this collective housing can provide in terms of reinventing cities, reinventing life together. Every single project has to be different, has to listen to the context, has to listen to the program, but also introduce a large sense of generosity for the users, for the functions, and at the end of the day, for the form, because I think form in architecture is essential too.